Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to buy Butterbear Wrapping Paper in Heartopia so you can make beautiful gifts for your friends. In this Butterbear event, you can create a cute gift box, but first you need to get the wrapping paper. And to buy this wrapping paper, first just open the globe icon, this one, and then next just go to Butterbear Island Adventure, and then tap on Start, and then next just tap on Exchange, this one, and then in here just choose this Butterbear wrapping paper, and then it costs 50 cookies, so make sure you have enough cookies. You can get these cookies by playing the Butterbear games and completing the event activities. And once you have enough cookies, just simply tap purchase like this, and then just tap on confirm. And now you are ready to wrap gift for your friends and make your present looks even more special. And if you want to learn how to actually wrap and send gift, I have made another video about that, so be sure to check it out. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.